To access the air filter, first open the hood. The air filter is located here. Disconnect the sensor by pressing the back tab down and pulling backwards.
Press down on the wire clip tab and then pull backwards to remove it.
Disengage the fasteners and free the tabs from their catch. Remove the old filter. Insert your new filter into the housing. Make sure the tabs are secure in their catch. Re-engage the fasteners. Reinstall the wire clip. Reinstall the sensor. And close the hood.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.